Hello world. Well, I know that from the description you all will be knowing that today we have something from Too Good, and that is the Nokia Lumia 1020. Now let's just quickly unbox the box and see the stuffs coming in. Oh yeah, by the way, it's Stephen Kyper back again. So, first we have the phone. Let me wrap it. There are some scratches at the back which are not so big deal. Now under the phone we have so quick start thing, that is some useless booklets, and after that we have an empty pack. Yes, an empty pack. Tell me, Too Good, are you kidding me? And ways. Next we have a cheap charger and a USB cable. Now let's swap back to the phone. The back we have some basic scratches over the camera barrel and rest part is clean. Let's power it on. Oh wow! It's so nice to see the old Nokia logo with the Microsoft logo. Man, its battery is critically low. Shop. Anyways, let's just quickly set up the phone. Well, so after setting the phone up and using it for 2 days, it looks like this. Well, after 2 days of massive usage, its disadvantages and advantages are: quality, check. Camera, super check. Sound, check. Battery and its charger, both in check. Anyways, well, it's all about that the phone is 5 years old and I got it for the 10th of its real price, so it's all good. Now these are some samples of the phone. These are under low light and daylight. Now after all these, I would really recommend the website Too Good For You. And if you like our efforts, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such contents.